Magandang buhay, Leontians! Welcome on today's episode of MATHtuto with Teacher Jacq. Ihanda natin ang ating tenga, ang ating isip at ang ating puso at sabay-sabay tayong MATHtuto.
For today, I'll be discussing about solving routine and non-routine problems involving squares, rectangles, triangles, parallelograms, and trapezoids. Our lesson objective: at the end of this lesson, you will be able to solve routine and non-routine problems involving squares, rectangles, triangles, parallelograms, and trapezoids. There are different shapes around us. Shapes serve their own purpose and function. Each shape has its own exact measurement. Do you know how to get its measurement? Let's have an activity. Go around inside your house and identify objects corresponding to the different figures you have studied. Write the names or draw the actual objects you have found inside your house. Complete the information for that object by getting the actual measurements using an appropriate measuring instrument. So, yung mga nakita nyong objects inside your house, you will get the actual area. Ako sa parallelogram, ang nakita ko ay itong sofa.
Kunin natin ang area ng foam ng sofa.
The formula in finding the area of parallelogram is area is equals to base times height. And the actual area, base is 120 centimeters, height is 20 centimeters, so 120 times 20 is equals to 2,400 square centimeters. Next, for triangle, ito ang image for triangle. And the formula in finding the area of a triangle is equals to 1/2 of base times height. So the base is 12 inches, the height is 6 inches. 1/2 of 12 inches times 6 inches is equals to 1/2 of 72 inches equals area of 36 square inches. Next is trapezoid. The actual object is this bag. Nasa shape siya ng trapezoid. So let's get the actual area. The formula in finding the area of trapezoid is 1/2, open and close parenthesis, base 1 plus base 2 times height. So the actual area of this bag is, the base 1 is 8 inches, base 2 is 12 inches, height is 6 inches. Let us solve. 1/2, open and close parenthesis, the base 1, 8 inches plus base 2, 12 inches, times the height, 6 inches. So we have 1/2, then 8 plus 12 is 20 inches times the height of 6 inches. So 20 times 6 is 120 inches. And then 1/2 of 120 inches is 60 square inches. Next is square. The actual object is wall clock. And the formula in finding the area of square is S times S or S squared. Measurement of each side of this wall clock is 10 inches. So let us solve. 10 inches times 10 inches is equals to 100 square inches. And next is rectangle. Our object is TV. The formula in finding the area of a rectangle is length times width. Length is 40 inches, width is 20 inches. So let us multiply 40 inches by 20 inches. The answer is area of 800 square inches.
Nakuha ba natin ang actual area ng mga objects na nakita natin inside our house? Great!
In solving routine problems involving rectangles, parallelograms, trapezoids, and squares, we can use the 4-step plan. The 4-step plan. First is understand. We need to understand what is asked in the problem. And then what is or are they given. The second step is plan. You need to plan what operation or strategy to be used, and you need to write the number sentence. And the third one is solve. After you derive a formula, in this step, you will solve the given in the problem and come up with an answer. And then the last one is check. It is very important to check if the process you take is correct and check on your answer. Let's have our first problem. Marisa has a rectangular baking table with length of 9 centimeters and a width of 4 centimeters. What is the area of Marisa's baking table? Okay, so what is asked in the problem? The area of Marisa's baking table. What are the given? Length of 9 centimeters and width of 4 centimeters. And then what operation to be used? Multiplication. And the number sentence, 9 centimeters times 4 centimeters equals n. Let us solve. Our formula in finding the area of a rectangle is length times width. So 9 centimeters times 4 centimeters is equals to 36 square centimeters. So the answer is 36 square centimeter. And then let us check. To check, let us divide the answer, 36 square centimeters, sa ating width, which is 4 centimeters. Kapag ka-divide natin itong dalawa na to, ang makukuha natin ay 9 centimeters, which is the length of the baking table. Okay, so pwede din naman na ang ilagay mo dito is etong length, and then ang final answer is 4 centimeters, which is the width. So therefore, tama yung sagot natin. Let's have our second word problem. An attic window has a shape of a trapezoid. Its bases are 3 meters and 2 meters. The perpendicular distance between these bases is 5 meters. What is the area of the attic window? Let us solve. So letter A means ask. What is asked in the problem? The area of the attic window. G means given. What are the given? Bases of 3 meters and 2 meters. And perpendicular distance of 5 meters. When we say perpendicular, ito ay
Vertical
line. So it means this is the height. And letter O, operation. What operation to be used? Yes, it's addition, multiplication, and division. And letter N, what is our number sentence? Because we are looking for the area of trapezoid, so our number sentence is 1/2 3m plus 2m times 5m is equals to n. And for letter S, solve. So the formula in finding the area of a trapezoid is 1/2, open and close parenthesis, base 1 plus base 2 times height. So we have 1/2, open and close parenthesis, base 1 is 3 meters, plus base 2, 2 meters, times the height, 5 meters. We have 1/2, and then 3 meters plus 2 meters is equals to 5 meters times our height, which is 5 meters. So 5 times 5 is 25. So we have 1/2 of 25 square meters. And the answer is area of 12.5 square meters. And for letter A, our answer is 12.5 square meters. And letter C is check. So 12.5 square meters times 2, and then divide by the bases, which is 5 meters. The answer is 5 meters. Ito yung height ng ating attic window. So, therefore, yung sagot natin ay tama. So, tignan natin yung acronym na ginamit natin. We have AGONSAC, AGONSAC. So, tandaan lang natin yung acronym na AGONSAC when we are solving a word problem para alam natin yung sunod-sunod na procedure and properly guided tayo sa pagkuha or sa pag-solve ng word problem. Let's have our last word problem. So, take a look at this image. A park has a playground for kids and a basketball court. So, this is the playground and this is the basketball court. The first question is, what is the area of the playground? So, take a look at this. What is the shape of our playground? Very good. It is a trapezoid. Next question, what is the area of the basketball court? This is the basketball court and the shape is correct. It is rectangle. And the last question, what is the total area of land required for both playground for kids and basketball court? Let us solve for the first question. What is asked? So the answer is area of the playground. And for letter G, what are the given? So we have here our bases, which is the first one is 2 meters and 10 meters. So how did we get 10 meters? Okay? So as you can see, yung length ng ating rectangle is 18 meters. Of course, yung katapat niya is 18 meters din. Ito lang yung base ng ating playground. So, what we are going to do is, we will subtract 4 meters and ito, ibig sabihin nito ay 4 meters din dahil parehas silang may guhit na isa. Ibig sabihin, magkasukat sila. So, 4 plus 4 is 8. Then, we will subtract it from 18 meters. 18 meters minus 8 meters is equals to 10 meters. So, ang base natin ay 10 meters. And our height is 5 meters. Next is operation. So, anong operation yung gagamitin natin? Addition, multiplication, and division. And letter N, our number sentence, 1/2, open and close parenthesis, 2 meters plus 10 meters times 5 meters equals N. Letter S is solved. So our formula in finding the area of a trapezoid is area is equals to 1/2, open and close parenthesis, base 1 plus base 2 times height. Let us solve 1/2. Our base 1, 2 meters plus our base 2, 10 meters times our height, which is 5 meters. 1/2 and then 2 meters plus 10 meters is equals to 12 meters multiplied by our height, which is 5 meters. So 12 times 5, we have 60 square meters. And 1/2 of 60 square meters is equals to 30 square meters. So the area of our playground is 30 square meters. We can also write 30 square meters like this. 30, and then letter M, 4 meter, and then yung exponent na 2. Next, our answer is 30 square meter. And the last one is check. So, 30 square meter times 2 is equals to 60 square meter divided by 12 meters is equals to 5 meters. So, ang nakuha natin ay yung 5 meters, which is the height of our playground. Therefore, our answer is correct. Next, let's get the area of this basketball court. So, letter A, what is asked? The area of the playground. For letter G, our given, which is the length of 18 meters and width of 8 meters. And for letter O, operation, we will use multiplication. Next is N, number sentence. So we have 18 meters times 8 meters equals N. And for letter S, solve our formula in finding the area of this basketball court, which is in rectangular shape, is length times width. Let us substitute. Length 18 meters times our width 8 meters is equals to 144 square meters. So our letter A answer is the area of this basketball court is 144 square meters. And letter C, check. 144 square meters divided by 8 meters is equals to 18 meters, which is the measurement of the length of our basketball court. So, therefore, our answer is correct. So, tandaan nyo lang lagi itong acronym na AGONSAC kapag magsosolve kayo ng word problem para hindi kayo malito at properly guided kayo. Next, let us find the answer for our last question. Okay, for letter A, what is asked? The total area of land required for both playground for kids and basketball court. Letter G, given, the area of our playground is equals to 30 square meters and the area of our basketball court is 144 square meters. For letter O, operation, so to get the answer, we will use addition. And for letter N, number sentence, we have 30 square meters plus 144 square meters equals N. Letter S, solve our formula. Area is equals to area of the playground plus area of our basketball court. So we have 30 square meters plus 144 square meters is equals to 174 square meters. So our answer is 174 square meters. And let us check. 174 square meters minus 144 square meters is equals to 30 square meters. Or pwede din namang baligtad. 174 square meters minus 30 square meters, our answer is 144 square meters. So, lagi nyo lang tandaan itong ating acronym na AGONSAC para hindi kayo mahirapan sa pagsagot ng mga word problems. Remember, area is the number of unit squares that cover the surface of a closed figure. And area of a rectangle is equals to length times width. Area of a square is equals to side times side or s squared. Area of parallelogram is equals to base times height. Area of trapezoid is equals to 1/2 open and close parenthesis base 1 plus base 2 times height. And the area of triangle is equals to 1/2 base times height. And in solving routine problems, analyze the given problem and use the 4-step plan.
There you have it, kids! I know that you've learned a lot on today's episode. A friendly reminder, kids, don't forget to answer your activities for this week's lesson that can be found in your module.
Thank you so much for watching and listening on this video. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel, i-click lang ang subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong video lessons ko. Maraming salamat! God bless! Bye-bye!